This chamber has no windows and no doors.
Okay, so it does have a door, but there's no windows in this hotel room and there's no TV.
First stop, we checked in using the iPads in the check-in area. It was all self-service, but there was someone there to help you if you needed it. Then we could add on any extras if we wanted, but £15 to store your luggage and £80 for a late checkout? No, thank you. We then got a key from the little holder and popped it onto the reader to program it to our room number, and then it came up on the screen. We were room 3150.
So down over here we have the gym and the cafe. Down those stairs there's a little work area as well. I'll insert some clips now. So they've got over here vending machines with water, kind of Powerade, Red Bull, Coke, all those sorts of things. Sweets and chocolate and things in there. And then what are these? Oh, like computer things and essentials. So go over and go up to one of the lifts. Try and find our room. Is it me or are they really hard to read, those numbers? 3101 to 3190. That way. 3232. There's loads of rooms. Oh my gosh. Goes all down that way as well. That way, I think I'm the other way actually. Let's have a look. I need to put my key on. There we go. Just corridors with rooms. Uh, 3108, 3130, that's not us. Hang on. Can't read that one. Is it this way? It's really hard to read. 3161. Oh no, we've gone past it. I have no idea where I'm going. What is it? I think it might be this one. 3158. This way. It's so hard to read those little signs. 31. This way. No, that's where we just come. No, this isn't the right way. Or maybe it's through this door. 31. It looks like it's a fire exit. I think, oh, maybe if I put my key on there. Oh, yeah, up here. Okay. 3137, 3158. Yeah. Okay. It's such a maze, this hotel. 31 and 3. Okay, not that way. 31. This way. Here I am at the Zedwell in London Piccadilly. Let's have a look around the room. This is a Cocoon for two. So they do like the capsule hotel where it's just like a bed in a little kind of capsule thing, which I wouldn't be able to do that. I think I'd get claustrophobic. I think this is the next size up, which is actually a room, and it's Cocoon for two. and it cost me £159 for one night, which is a little bit pricey, but you are literally in central London. So I'm right by Piccadilly Circus, Leicester Square, all of the kind of things around there. So really, really good central location. Yeah, let's have a look around. Okay, so as you come in, you've got your big double bed. Got some towels on there as well, and really nice lighting around it. Really, really nice. Got plug. Ooh. Yeah, that turns all of those lights off. There's a USB, or 2 USBs on there, I think, and a plug socket on that side, and the same on the other side, so you can both charge. And there's like a little shelf here, so you could put your phone or whatever on there to charge. On this side, we've got the aircon, and obviously the light switch is just on there, like spot lighting down the middle, and you've got this nice lighting around the bed. A full-length mirror, well, pretty much full length in there. You've got some coat hooks along here. You've got another plug on there, and this light is for, oh, that one's for the bathroom. So into the bathroom, or I should say shower. So you've got overhead kind of waterfall shower thing on there, and then you've got shampoo and body wash, a little hook to hang your towels on the outside on there, toilet, and then you've got a little storage shelf and toilet paper under there, and then you've got a really nice mirror. I've just noticed as well there's a little button on the mirror, so you can turn the light off and turn the light on as well. That's really cool. And then on here we've got the tap. Now I have already used the tap, but I was trying to figure out how to use it. So you actually have to press that button and then press it again to turn it off. You just set obviously the temperature on the side there, and then turn it off and on with that on there, which I think it's the same in the shower as well. I'm not going to press it because obviously I don't want to get soaking wet in the shower. But yeah, you kind of set your temperature and then you press that button to do off and on there. You do have like a sliding door across there as well, so if you are here as a couple, you can have a little bit of privacy while you're having your shower or whatever. Overall, a really great room. I've stayed at the Hub by Premier Inn before, and it's a similar kind of thing, but the only difference with that one is the bed is raised up in the hub, so you can put your suitcases underneath. So the one thing I've obviously got my suitcases and things there, so there's nowhere to really put them. The only other thing which is different is there's no TV. So this wall here, obviously opposite the bed, there's no TV. Now, to be honest, when I stay in hotel rooms, I normally get my laptop and my iPad out and watch YouTube anyway, so I don't think that's going to bother me at all. The only thing that might do is the window, but if you're only here for one night and you just want a really central location to stay for London, it's definitely worth it.
We had a great stay at the Zedwell in Piccadilly, and I definitely recommend it for a central London location. Room was really nice, bed was really comfy, the shower and the bathroom was really good as well. And we noticed on the way out that there was a beauty room which had kind of hair dryers and mirrors in, so if you needed some extra space to get ready, that was really good. But yeah, definitely recommend it.
But yeah, that's the Zedwell at London Piccadilly.